Hello everyone and welcome back to Joy As It Flies. If you're new here, my name's Alyssa and I deal with the crochet side of this channel. Now if you're looking for a cozy crochet stitch that looks a little bit like knitting, you are going to love the Herringbone Rib Stitch. This stitch has the most beautiful texture and is perfect for any autumn or winter projects that you might have. And of course, like it says in its name, this stitch is fantastic if you need some crochet ribbing. Now in this video, I'm going to be using a 6mm crochet hook and some acrylic chunky yarn in cream, but you can use whatever yarn or hook you would like. We're going to begin by making a slip knot, and you can use whatever method you would like for this. Then we can pop that onto our hook, and from here you are going to chain any number that you would like. So for this video, I'm going to chain 15. Once you've completed your chain, we are going to look at the second chain from your hook, so 1 and 2, and into that chain we're going to make a single crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through both of those loops. Now if you look at your stitch, you should be able to see 2 vertical bars. We're going to be working under the second one of these, so this one here. Insert your hook underneath it, like this, and then insert your hook into the following chain. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. From here, yarn over and pull up a loop. Then yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. So this is your very first stitch. If you have a look at this stitch, you'll see that there are 3 bars, so 1, 2 and 3. We're still going to be working into this last bar here, so our third one. Insert your hook under that third bar, and then insert your hook into the following chain. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And we're going to repeat. So insert your hook under that third bar, and then into the following chain. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So you're going to continue in this way all the way down your chain. Under that last bar, into the next chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now to help with your tension, I like to hold onto this stitch before I yarn over and pull through. And this is just going to stop this end bar from being too tight. You want your tension to be really nice and loose for this stitch. And again, we'll just make our stitch. So go ahead and work in this way all the way down your row, and I'll meet you back when you've finished. And there we are, that is the end of row 1. You can see it's a really beautiful stitch, you can see the texture already. So for row 2 and onwards, we're going to begin by chaining 1. Now this chain 1 does not count as a stitch. From here, turn your work. Now if you have a look at the tops of your stitches, you can see there is a front loop and a back loop. So for this stitch, you can either work under both loops like you would normally. You can see both loops there. Or you can work under just the back loop, like this. I'm going to be working under the back loop because I think it gives the nicest bit of texture. So to do this, we are going to start by making a single crochet into our first stitch. And then just as before, we're going to find this second bar right here. We're going to insert our hook underneath it, and then into the back loop of our next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all of the loops. Then just as before, we'll work into the last bar. So under that one, into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So the stitch is exactly the same as row 1, The only difference is whereabouts we're making them. So you're just going to continue along in this way, and I will meet you back when you get to the end of your row. And there we are, I finished my row, and this is what it should look like. So for this pattern, you're simply going to repeat row 2. It's a very simple pattern and is a really easy one to do once you have the hang of it. And there we are, that's it. That is how you crochet the herringbone rib stitch. I really hope you all enjoyed this video and found it easy to follow. If you did like it, if you liked this stitch, make sure you keep an eye on our channel because I'm designing a crochet winter scarf using this stitch, which I will be sharing with you all very shortly. So if you could, make sure you click that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date with all of our new videos. I'll see you all again next week, but until then, happy crocheting!